Market Call for the next half hour. David Burrows, President, Barometer Capital Management, takes your calls and emails. Great to have you here.
Great to be here.
We're going to put the numbers up on the screen. David is here to talk about North American large caps, and you can call him toll-free 1-855-326-6266 or email David at marketcall@bnn.ca. So you're seeing a big rotation in the market into more defensive stocks?
Yeah, obviously it's been an interesting month because the things that made people a bunch of money over the last 8-9 months,
the cyclicals,
really ran into a bit of a wall in the end of April, in Canada first, and then through some other markets at the beginning of May. So it's been a difficult month, I think, for a lot of folks. I think probably happy to see some strength in risk assets today, but I think that there's been a significant rotation away from mid-small cap to large cap, more stable earnings picture, and a continuation in the theme around yield.
Yeah, because we're seeing the REITs are so hot. They're up 30%, including distributions in the past year.
You look at the big cap, yield-oriented companies in the U.S., companies that have not participated for years, like the pharma stocks, like the utility stocks. That really has been the strength over the last month. And I think that a lot of people have had to go through, certainly we have, some realigning the portfolio holdings to look at sort of the newer reality.
There's a lot of buzz over a piece that just ran in the Irish Times by a prof over there who's been a big critic of the government's policies in allowing the bubble. But he's arguing Ireland will default and that European banks are in trouble here. They're going to take a hit of some kind.
I think certainly if you look at globally, the big banks have had a horrible 2-3 months, and that's telling you something. I think that the emerging markets have been telling you something, and I think that's washed through into the commodity space. And the question is it a slowdown? Is it something more? And I think that's going to play out. We're sort of at the point where the commodity companies and the economically sensitive companies should find some support if it's just sort of correction and consolidation. I don't think that you can make that case yet, just the fact that we've had a good day.
We're going to be right back with David Burrows, President, Barometer Capital, taking your questions on North American large caps. You can give David a call at 1-855-326-6266.